Hey trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Deanna Nicole, and I am coming to you with this Amazon hair review. And so the company that sent me this is a braided synthetic wig that I'm going to review. I think their name is Roiifur, and I'm pretty much going to put it up right here so you can see exactly what their name is and what type of braided synthetic wig it is. They wanted me to review it, and I just was like, okay, let's see how it does, because I usually do my own wigs and I braid my own hair, but the conveniency of having a braided wig is even better. So I was like, let me try it just to see. So pretty much it took maybe 3 to 4 days to get to me. At the time, I believe the price is like $124 for it, and now I believe it's $118. And you have a $10 off coupon, so you can definitely use that towards your purchase. So it comes in this little baggie right here. It kind of just give you tips for wearing the wig, and pretty much their customer service. If you don't like it, you get a 100% refund or a replacement within 45 days. And yeah, so pretty much when you open up this bag, let's see what they have in it. Oh, cool. So in the bag they have the wig cap. And if y'all like wig caps, y'all can definitely, put it down. Me personally, I don't really wear wig caps because, I don't know, I just like to feel my scalp sometimes, especially when it itches. I want to get in between there. But to each his own. And then I have a pair of lashes that they put in the bag. And then they have like some little accessories that you could put on your braids to make it real cute or whatever. So yeah, that's real dope. And this is the wig. So it comes in this net, and we're gonna take this net off. They have the things inside to protect it. I'll take this net off, y'all. So pretty much this is the wig. I like the feel of it. It's super soft, y'all. And in the ends are kind of small, if y'all can see it. Okay. And also with the design, I think it's a real cute design. So if y'all can see, it's kind of like crisscross in the front, and it kind of goes at an angle, and it has like the braids coming down on the side. And also it has like layers in the back, kind of like the individual layers to make it a little bit fuller. So I think it has like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, about 4 rows in the back of individuals. And then it's kind of cornrow down at the top, which is really cute. In the front, it has the baby hairs, which we're gonna do them baby hairs up. So yes, and it's kind of like already pre-curled for you in a sense, so you don't have to curl it yourself. But we're gonna play with that when I install. And if you look inside, it's more so like a full lace, and it's almost a full lace at the top. And I thought I would have to bleach the knots, y'all, but honestly, I don't think I have to, because it's already kind of brown, like for brown. It's like brown girl skin ready in a sense. So I think that's less that I have to do, which is a plus. And it doesn't have any, oh, it does have combs. It has combs on the side right here. But 9 times out of 10, y'all, I'm probably not going to use these combs, because I particularly don't like combs. Just for my hair's protection. I just don't like anything kind of digging into my scalp. But, I mean, if you like to use the combs, use it. And also, they have a band. And it's just a band, kind of like the adjustable, just to make sure your wig is on securely. And yeah, y'all, this is the wig. They also have some more adjustables in the strap, so you strap down. They gonna make sure your wig ain't going nowhere inside this braided synthetic wig. So yeah, y'all use it to your discretion, however you like it. And we're gonna try on this wig. I'm gonna apply it. I'm gonna show you all how I apply it. And yeah, y'all just stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, YouTube, so we are going to install this wig. So right now, as y'all can see, my hair is just kind of like cornrow going back. Nothing special, just I like to do small cornrows because I want my wig to lay extra flat. And so I'm gonna use edge boosters. Some people might use the Gots to Be glue or any type of holding glue, but I just use regular edge boosters from Style Factor to hold down my edges, to slick it back pretty much. So pretty much I'm just gonna take it out the pack, get you like a little edge brush, and I'm just gonna pretty much start swooping my edges back. Like it's bad Wi-Fi, doing damage in your city like a drive-by. Ain't no temporary movement, this is for a lifetime. Till I'm sipping. After pretty much of me slicking these edges back, y'all, I kind of just put on my band. So if you have like a band or anything, you can put it on just to make sure that your edges are sleek. And I'm gonna use my little leopard print band right here, and I'm going to put it on my edges and put it on in the back to make sure it's laying flat. It has like a little Velcro on there, so like that. Okay, y'all, so it has been 5 minutes since I've had this band on. So we're gonna take it down so my edges are kind of nice and sleek. And now we're gonna take this wig and put it on. And as y'all can see, remember it was like little combs on the side. I cut them out, y'all, because I don't like comb. It's super irritating. So these are the comb pieces. And if I want to sew them back, I can, but I just pretty much cut them off the wig because I'm not gonna stick them in my braid. Put it on. This, and then kind of pull it down, and then the straps that were in the back, these right here, I'm gonna hook them. I don't know if it sits on your ear a certain way. Right now, mine's not sitting like that, so we're just gonna bring this down just a little bit. All right. So far it look like it's cute or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So now what I'm gonna do before I lay it, I'm gonna cut this lace. So I'm gonna take the baby hair and kind of flip it back just a bit, you know, hold it, kind of clip it out the way. So I take my little clips and I clip it back. I wish I had like some little bitty clips. Some more little bitty ones. I do somewhere, y'all. I just don't feel like finding them. I'm just being lazy. And then we're gonna cut down the middle. Okay. And then we'll cut it on the side. Okay, and then I'm gonna cut it on the other side. So I can do it like in sections, y'all. I came right out of the fire. Asked for forgiveness, he gave me the business, so I gotta thank the Messiah. Told me he hated. Now, I'm gonna get my little razor and we're gonna like razor it off. I got my razor or whatever. And you can get your razor from like your local beauty supply store. So, pretty much what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start right here and just kind of go from section to section and razor the lace off. What I'm doing, and I'm gonna try to stay as close to the black part as possible while I am razoring this off, trying to pull all of the baby hairs back. Sunday service is that real deliverance. Worship with my Brody Alexander, watching hell diminish. Yeah, spirit of God. Okay, y'all, so this is how it looks after I cut the lace. It's super cute. You can kind of wear it glueless if you want. I honestly, like, look how that is. Like, it fits my head. It's perfect. It fixes snug. If y'all don't want to put anything on it, You can wear this glueless, honestly. As far as it kind of sitting behind my ear comfortably, it doesn't, because due to the fact of how the braids are, it kind of like lays on top of your ear. And and you don't want to, like, with regular, like, what are those, regular frontals, you can kind of like adjust, like cut off as much hair as you need. But with the braids, it's not the same, because if you cut off this part to try to let it sit comfortably behind your ear, it's you're gonna cut the braid. So it's kind of like it rests upon your ear a bit like that. Or even if you try to tuck it behind your hair, if your hair isn't black or anything, you're gonna see your hair or whatever, but which is fine. You could, or you could just put it behind like this if you want your ear to be out. But personally, it doesn't bother me to have it just like on top just a little bit. So it's fine, because I want people to see like the whole braid design. So I'm just gonna keep it on top of my ear, and then the bottom part is out. So it's cool. My little stud is out, or if you have a loop or whatever. So yeah, if you have earrings on top of your ear, which I do, but I really don't wear them, you probably won't be able to see those. But other than that, I like the wig, honestly, so far. We are going to use the ebin Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray. And I particularly like the black bottle, because it has an extreme firm hold to it. So, and it's supreme, it's fast drying, no residue, which is true, because I know with the Gots to Be, when you spray it with the freeze spray, it's kind of like it's white, it turned white, which I hate, and I don't really like that, y'all. Am I the same one that feels that way? If so, if not, make sure y'all comment below and let me know what y'all think between the Gots to Be and the ebin New York Wonder Lace Bond. I just really feel like this is a game changer. And now I am going to kind of like push my wig back just a little bit, because we're gonna lay these baby hairs too, but I'm gonna just push it back just a bit, and I'm gonna spray with this aerosol can. So with your baby hairs, since they kind of got them loose, I prefer you just to kind of like clip them back, just so it won't be sticky and it won't get onto your baby hairs. So I'm just gonna clip them back. Take those clips, y'all, and clip them back. And then I'm just gonna spray. You don't know me, you don't know what I'd have been through. Giving my life only one way, I'd have got through. Yeah, I know that he moving, I trust what he doing. My hope in the Lord, cause that's where the truth is. Already chosen, I don't gotta prove it. Yeah, I'll never be perfect, but I'm always improving. Yeah, I got a reason, all of the presents to God every season. Started the work just for till it's completed. All of the powers against me defeated. Time to celebrate, yeah. Don't pull me down, let me elevate. If it weren't for God, would've never made. Listen, I just wanna celebrate, yeah. Just to make sure it don't go everywhere, spray it real close. Yeah, don't pull me down, let me elevate. If it weren't for God, would've never made. Listen, I just wanna celebrate, yeah, celebrate, yeah. Don't worry about me, I'll be doing just fine. God's feet, God's. And now, since we have this, we're gonna put the band on, because I wanna make sure that it's down and it's not going anywhere. We're gonna put this on for like 5 to 10 minutes. All right, so it's been 5 to 10 minutes, at least 5, by 7. I put it on 7. Y'all, look at that. Y'all can't tell me it don't look like it's coming out my scalp. What lace work? Lace work. I'm gonna take my, I barely have any hair, but I'm gonna take my Lotta Body, and I am going to put it on top of the baby hair and kind of like swoop it in the direction I guess I wanted to go. I'm struggling trying to swoop these baby hairs. I know how to swoop baby hairs. But when it comes to these big baby hairs, y'all like all their hair left out. Y'all, that's not baby hair. That's your hair at that point. It's definitely your hair at that point. And no, that's not no baby hair that need to be left out. But we gonna make it do what it do. Cause that's what they left out on the wig. So I'm just gonna swoop it like that. I don't know if I might need to cut it a little bit more or what. But I'm on the verge of doing that. Okay, swoop it. Or do they swoop it the other way, y'all? Do I need to swoop it the opposite way? Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna put my makeup and stuff on, so when I get back, hopefully my baby hair is settled like how I wanted to, and I can do my base. I might cut. I'm not even gonna lie, I might cut this at the top because they did leave a lot of hair out for this style. But like I said, if y'all like baby hairs and stuff, y'all know how to, and y'all want to swoop them and stuff like that, y'all do that. But me, I might just cut these. I'm not even gonna tell no story. I'm probably gonna cut a little bit, just a little bit. So yeah, when I finish with these baby hairs, trying to attempt to curl these, y'all just stay for the end results. Okay, y'all, so this is the final result of the braided wig. Y'all, I love this. Like, it's super convenient, it's cute. I did my makeup just so, you know, you can see the complete look of if you want to dress it up or go out somewhere. But other than that, I love how it feels. This is the back of the wig. So this is how it is. And honestly, the only thing that I want to say I didn't like, because I like everything, but it was the baby hairs for me. Like, if you like baby hair, then this shouldn't be a con for the wig. But me, I just don't like all that baby hair just to be out. But I tried my best. I cut a little bit of it down, as you can see. But other than that, I love this wig. If I were to rate it a 1 out of 5, 5 being the highest, I would rate it like a 4.9 just because of the baby hairs, y'all, and the ear tabs too. Because if they had something where it could kind of rest behind my ears a little bit, that'll be cool too. But since it didn't, because I don't want to cut the braids. But other than that, it's just how it rests and the baby hairs. That's why I give it a 4.9. But it's super convenient. Like I said, you don't have to use the lace bond to put it on there. And yeah, if y'all like this wig or if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'm gonna make sure I link everything in the description below to where you can order this wig. And I'm gonna make more videos like these, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share to my channel, y'all. So I love you, trendsetters. I will see y'all next time.
If you chosen, I'm like the laundry you pull out the dryer and leave in the basket cause I never folded. Wait, hold on, why you doing like that? See, I make that head B.O.B. to the beat cause I gotta be obedient to the king. Every check a murder scene, beast mode on the beat though. I'm like a cheat code from the free throw I don't miss. I'm like 3-0 cause I'm lethal from the 3-point line, so you know this. By the time I apply some more pressure, the devil been busy, I got some aggression. Got me feeling like Martin, I treat him like Pamela James to tell him get to stepping. Cause your rap can't be dead because here we are. When it doesn't, I just resurrect it. At the waist hit your chest like it's CPR. It's this time I apply some more pressure. All I want and all I need is